Bonjour, welcome to the vocabulary lesson for Chapter 1. The vocabulary features different activities, and all of these activities are activities whose verbs end in ER. Notice, all of the verbs end in ER. These are verbs. They're all in ER. Cuisiner, manger, those are two ER verbs. Déjeuner, dîner, travailler, étudier, parler, marcher, pratiquer, inviter, voyager, regarder, écouter. These are all ER verbs. What is an ER verb? It's a verb whose infinitive form has an ER. Cuisiner. The infinitive cuisiner, that ER, is kind of like our infinitive for to like, to do. Those, when you say to do, that's the infinitive of to do. It's not conjugated. I do, you do, he does. Those are conjugations with subject pronouns. When the verb is not conjugated, it's in the infinitive form. Cuisiner et manger, I would translate, to cook and to eat. Déjeuner is to have lunch. Dîner is to dine. Travailler, to work. Étudier, to study. Jouer, to play. Marcher is to walk. Pratiquer, to practice. Inviter, to invite. Écouter, to listen. Regarder, to watch. Voyager, to travel. Aimer is to like or to love, depending on the context. Now, you're saying to yourself probably, wait a minute, she's not translating everything. She's not telling us everything about les activités de Kim Lee pendant la semaine, or Kim Lee's activities during the week, because she's not telling us what this means when you have au café, au restaurant, au bureau, à la bibliothèque, au parc, le sport, des amis, des CD, la télé. Well, in some cases, these are the places, and you have a preposition and the place. So she's having lunch at the cafe. She's having dinner at the restaurant. She's working at the office. She's studying at the bibliothèque or library. She's walking in the park, which they say au parc. She's practicing sports. Inviter des amis. Here you have des amis, some friends. She's having some friends over. She's listening to some CDs. Remember, if I wrote, or if someone wrote écouter les CD using the definite article, that would be more like she's listening to the specific CDs. She's listening to the CDs. Here she's listening to some CDs. It's indefinite. It's not very specific. She's listening to, some CDs. Regarder la télé. She's watching television. That's the way you say to watch TV. Regarder la télé. And here you have voyager and aimer. I am going to set up some exercises to help you practice the new vocabulary and to help you learn it. And in the first exercises in the textbook, you're just going to be learning the verbs and practicing your numbers with this activity A, est-ce que c'est essentiel? Is it essential? And with une vie équilibrée, you're going to be talking about what % of students do different things. You'll notice that the verbs are conjugated in this second activity. Just focus on the meaning and practicing your numbers in this first part of the week. Bonne soirée!